Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I am going to share with you how we catch fresh crabs, and it costs us nothing at all, and we really love eating fresh. So please stay with me and let's get started. So first you are going to need chicken and crab nets, and you can get these from Walmart or your local store. So what we basically do is that we use chicken thigh because we noticed that crabs really love chicken. So my husband here is gonna help me through tied up everything, and he's gonna make it really easy for me. So we want to save money, we want to eat fresh. This is how we do it. So where we live in the military base, and we have this river in there that we usually catch free crabs. All you need to get is your fishing license, in which it is very cheap to get. So after he tie it up, he is going to throw it in the water, and then we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. So basically every 10 minutes you have to pull it up and check, and every 10 minutes that we pull it up we end up catching crab, because there's a lot of them in this river, and this is the season that you can get them as many as you want. I remember last year we came here, we end up catching like 15, and then we didn't know what to do with it, so we end up giving some to friends, and I couldn't even eat because now from it. So this is how we catch them, and as you can see they will just crumble in there just to get that chicken because they love chicken so much. And so this is how we do it. So every 10 minutes leave it there and pull it up, and just like that you're gonna be catching a lot of them. Yeah, so with this you can use it for any recipe of your choice. So now we are at home. How to prep them? You have to cook them while they are alive, because I noticed that, or someone told me that it's better to cook them when they are alive than they are dead, because they end up developing some bad chemicals that is not good for you. So it's better to cook them while they are alive, and I didn't like that. Trust me, I hate doing that, but I have no option. So I end up boiling them. I added salt in the water and I boiled it like halfway, because I don't want to fully cook them. I'm going to use it for my recipe, and after that just let it cool, and then keep them in your freezer as long as you can use. So this is how we store our crab. Thank you for watching.